Hold on a second. What the heck is this? Oh. No, I was turning this off. That's what I was doing. But it looks like I found cardboard. My name is Davey. Life got crazy. I used to get around.
Traveling, he said.
Mama, Mr. Baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead. Oh, there's a bunch. Oh, and it's clean, and it's from Amazon. Goodness. What is this? What's a letter? There's a bunch of letter P's.
Hey, they don't have a bunch of way, huh?
Yeah. Isn't that interesting?
What is it, Steve?
I wonder what else is in there.
They're all the same box.
Oh yeah, look at the item number. 2860.
I think it's gonna deliver to Rosso.
Take right from me?
Yeah, you can have one.
Oh man.
Oh, were you doing a YouTube video?
Yeah.
Or TikTok?
That's for YouTube.
What the hell?
What is it for?
I have a garden. I came to get cardboard boxes to put in my garden. But
I want to be in there. I want to be in there.
okay.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Here, you can hand me a cigarette in it.
No, I don't want to be in there.
Really?
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
Is it live? Are we live?
No, not live.
Are we live?
How you gonna?
This is trash.
Really?
Yeah, look at it. The waste management. Dang it, how do I open it? I need a knife.
Yeah.
What is it?
Oh, what? Oh.
What is it?
Oh, it's just letters.
It's from,
Craft.
yeah. Oh shit, I'm about to grab it.
Hey.
Those are all the letter C. All of them.
Hey, here's a jump rope.
Oh, it's brand new, huh?
No, it's, I think I need to do a photo of being over here.
What did you find?
There's hella stuff in here.
Oh,
Yeah. Hey, what?
Oh, 22. I need that.
You get 22? Key. That's key. Come on. Get in. That's 20. That's you, huh?
No.
Wait, wait, wait. Oh, you got a hell of a. No.
Different size.
6. Oh. 6 too. 6. Hey, you can sell these online, yo. Shoebox.
Oh, look at that.
Shoe. Here. That's $5 online. Oh, right here.
Take away.
Oh, what for?
Finish in my table. All right. All natural. Graduation tassel.
Oh shit, this is cool. Yeah, you can sell that.
What's this?
Right? Yeah, you saw them, Joe. That's nice, little pig.
Hand me that pink thing right there.
Pink?
That's mine.
Oh no, the. Oh, this is what that is? Oh.
Hey, you can sell all these pool cakes, Joe. It's all $2 each, $1 each online.
Sounds like work.
Yeah?
Look at that. Having
Galaxy A7. Motor G. Oh, it's all 20 grand. Oh, why not? Look at that money.
oh, legs. All right. My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around. Mama missed a baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead.